If you're a DIY enthusiast looking to create custom designs on various items, like t-shirts, caps, mugs, plates, and more, then this heat press machine is a game changer. With its advanced features and versatile capabilities, it allows you to bring your creative ideas to life with ease and precision. Digital control and display. The VEVOR Heat Press Machine features a precise digital controller with dual-screen displays, providing a user-friendly interface for effortless operation and control. The large screen display and silicone buttons offer a comfortable touch feeling. Switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit, DEGF is as simple as pressing the +/ button. This convenient feature allows you to quickly adjust the temperature settings according to your preferences. Dual-tube heating. Unlike ordinary heat presses, the VEVOR 15-inch model incorporates the latest double-tube heating technology. This innovative design ensures that there is a minimal temperature difference of only about 5 between the center and the edge of the heat plate. The result is uniform and consistent heat distribution, guaranteeing exceptional transfer quality for your designs. 360° swing-away design. The swing-away arm of the VEVOR Heat Press Machine offers a unique advantage by allowing the heating element to move to the side. It ensures that the pressure is applied directly and evenly on the sublimation machine. This design not only enhances the transfer quality, but also reduces the risk of accidental contact with the heated plate. With this added safety feature, you can work confidently and focus on creating your masterpieces. High security performance. The VEVOR Heat Press Machine prioritizes safety with its high security performance. Utilizing 2 layers of insulation technology, the surface temperature remains at a comfortable 50-70 even when the working temperature reaches 210. This remarkable temperature control system provides peace of mind, allowing you to work without the worry of scalding or burns that can occur with traditional heat press machines. 8-in-1 Versatile Kit. One of the standout features of the VEVOR Heat Press Machine is its 8-in-1 versatility. With a spacious 15x15, 38x38 cm large heat plate, this machine can handle a wide range of applications. The Teflon-coated plate ensures a non-stick and stable surface, preventing scorching of transfers. Whether you're applying letters, numbers, or intricate patterns, this heat press machine is suitable for caps, t-shirts, mugs, plates, aluminum pots, and more. The complete accessories provided, including a plane press, hat/cap press, mug presses, and plate presses, allow you to explore endless creative possibilities. Trusted performance. The VEVOR Heat Press Machine guarantees trusted performance. With reliable motherboards and an accurate temperature control device, the stability of this machine is further enhanced. You can count on consistent heat and precise results every time you use it. Say goodbye to trial and error and welcome a reliable companion for your DIY printing projects. In conclusion, the VEVOR Heat Press Machine 15-inch 8-in-1 is a powerful tool for DIY enthusiasts, offering advanced features and exceptional versatility.